Welcome back to Carcano Gaming. We're in Fairfield Mud Pit Demolition Arena in the Hammerhead, and I gotta give him hell. It must be done. I'm going to wreck the shit out of these bots. I'm gonna beat them like they owe me money. I'm gonna whoop that ass like a redheaded stepchild. Even though my Hammerhead isn't gonna hold up, I'll destroy it because this fucking car sucks. I'm still going to do what I can with it. Which I've already destroyed the front end. Hell, I just started and the front end's gone. Oh, you little fuckers. At least I got a shunt out of that. Oh. They're trying to make me lose my streak. Oh, it's just bumping. I got no front end. At least I got a wreck out of that, but the car is barely trying to hit. And there goes the streak. Look, I didn't even have enough to take that little bit of health away on the Dominator. I need to get a new car. Yep. We're going for a new car, guys. Gotta get a new car. There we go. New car time. Now let's get some shit done. Ooh, there's a car. And there's bronze. Traded out the shitty car, and then all of a sudden, look, wrecks are abound again. That should have, okay, it gave the wreck to me. I was going to say, that should have been a wreck. Oh. That Speedbird's toast. It is pretty hard to whoop their ass like they owe me money if my car is completely destroyed. There's gold. Gold with a minute left. That's not bad. Especially for the mud courses. It's only because I got a new car. If I wouldn't have gotten a new car, then I would have been screwed. Come on, there we go. Oh, I just hit him, no wreck. Gotta get him just the right angle when you don't have a front end. Yeah, smash the shit out of that El Matador to finish. I mean, the 13.9's a respectable score on a mud track.